How to start Forex trading for beginners in 2021. This is a question that many people will be asking themselves this year, and it's a valid question because to start trading Forex in 2021 is never an easy thing. So here are some points to remember when it comes to starting out on your Forex trading journey. Firstly, you need to know that your money is at risk when trading Forex. It's a multi-trillion pound business and you will be trading against the experts in their field. It's not to say that you can't succeed, but you need to be careful and aware that every time you pull the trigger when you trade in Forex, you are risking real money. Secondly, in view of the first point there that your money is at risk when you start Forex trading in 2021, my second tip would be to start trading on a demo account. This means that you're not risking real money. You're able to practice in your own time, and of course, if you make mistakes, it's not really going to matter at that point. So a demo account is what I would suggest that you start trading Forex on. My third point is that while on your demo account, you need to create your own strategy. Now, while in a demo account, remember it's risk-free, it's not real money. So when you make mistakes, and you will eventually find the style of Forex trading that suits you. Some, for example, like to take small profits and make quick trades. Other people would prefer to enter the Forex market with a longer term view, and so their trades might run over several days as opposed to just a few hours. So as you practice on your demo account and you're learning about the Forex trade, you can do so at your own pace and risk-free in a demo account as you're creating the strategy that suits you best. My next point is that when you do decide that you've created a good strategy within your demo account and you're now feeling comfortable while trading in the Forex market, you need to choose a reputable broker. Now, when I say a reputable broker, there are many brokers out there who aren't really brokers in themselves. They are, if you like, extensions of other brokers. One way to tell if a broker is a reputable one is, for example, in Europe, the broker would be governed or regulated by the FCA. That stands for the Financial Conduct Authority. If a broker isn't regulated by the FCA in Europe, then I would steer clear and find one that is. If you're a Forex trader in America, the broker needs to be regulated by the SEC, or the Securities and Exchange Commission. Again, if the broker isn't governed by the SEC in America, again, my advice would be to steer clear and find one that is. Finally, I want you to understand that you should never trade on a live Forex market with real money unless you're prepared to lose that money. Now, I'm not being negative, but I want you to understand that 95% of new traders who will be starting in 2021 will probably lose money. Their account, the term is used that your account will be blown. but you will lose your entire account and all the funds that are in it. Now this could happen actually several times. It's not uncommon. So my final suggestion would be to, when you do want to trade with real money, to start just small, maybe with £100 or a couple of $100, so that if you did lose that money, you're not going to leave yourself homeless or in financial trouble. So never trade with money that you're not prepared to lose, because you will make mistakes. But like in any walk of life, it's the mistakes you make that will actually give you the most important lessons. And of course, I want to end on a positive note, because you absolutely can succeed in the Forex market. If you plan to start trading Forex in 2021, these are just a few points that you need to remember. So I'll just summarize very quickly again. Firstly, that your money is at risk when you trade in the Forex market. Secondly, I recommend that you start by opening a demo account. Thirdly, within your demo account, you start creating a strategy that suits you. Use a reputable broker governed by the FCA or the SEC. And finally, remember, if you do trade in the live Forex markets, never trade with money that you can't afford to lose. If you persevere and work hard, you can be a successful Forex trader. But first of all, follow these steps in your learning curve, and maybe comment below as to how you're getting on. I would be interested to know, because I know that some of you this year will be very, very successful in the months and years ahead. So I hope these points have helped in answering the question how to start Forex trading for beginners in 2021.